Today, I'm diving deep into the world of fragrances to see if I can create my own signature scent that smells just as good as the best perfumes out there. Perfume has a way of making us feel confident, remembered, and even transported to different times and places. Think about it, a single scent can evoke a powerful memory or make you feel like you're reliving a special moment. Perfume is more than just a pleasant smell, it's an experience. But, have you ever stopped to think about what actually makes perfume smell so good? Many of us might assume it's just about throwing together a bunch of fragrant ingredients and hoping for the best. But, the truth is, creating a great perfume involves a complex blend of chemistry and artistry. It's a delicate balance of different scents that can evoke emotions and memories. When we think of perfume, we often think of it as just one singular scent, but the reality is that perfumes are made up of multiple layers. These layers are called top, middle, and base notes. Top notes are the initial scents you smell when you apply a perfume. They're usually light and refreshing, think citrus or mint. Middle notes, also known as the heart of the perfume, emerge after the top notes have faded. They're often floral or spicy. Base notes are the richest and deepest scents, they linger on the skin the longest and can be woody, musky, or even sweet. The way these notes interact with each other is what creates the unique character of a perfume. It's a bit like cooking, where the right combination of ingredients can create something truly magical. Perfumers, the people who create perfumes, are kind of like chefs, but instead of using ingredients like flour and sugar, they use essential oils and aroma compounds. And just like a great dish, a great perfume can evoke emotions and memories. You might have heard of pheromones, these mysterious chemicals that supposedly play a role in attraction. But, do they really influence how we perceive scent? Research suggests that pheromones can affect our behavior and even our mood. Some scientists believe that our brains are wired to respond to certain scents in a way that's linked to attraction and even reproduction. While the science is still out on this, it's clear that pheromones play a fascinating role in the world of fragrance. The concept of pheromones is intriguing, but what's even more interesting is how our brains process scent. Our sense of smell is closely linked to the part of the brain that processes emotions, which is why smells can evoke such powerful memories. Perfume is more than just a pleasant scent, it's an emotional experience. In terms of attraction, perfume can play a big role. The right scent can make us feel more confident, more attractive, and even more approachable. But, it's not just about the perfume itself, it's about the memories and emotions we associate with it. A great perfume can be like a warm hug, it can make us feel comforted and secure. To wrap it up, perfume is a complex blend of chemistry and artistry that can evoke emotions and memories. From top notes to base notes, and even pheromones, there's a lot more to perfume than just a pleasant smell. If you're curious about perfumes, I'd love to hear about your favorite scents in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on fragrance, and if you have any suggestions for future content, let me know.